Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another horror game character. This time it's gonna be the very creepy looking Lisa. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really creepy looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in her eyes first. So it's just going to be 2 egg shapes on this side. Okay, so just draw 2 egg shapes, and let me shade it in real quick. Alright, and then from here we're going to come down and just draw in her mouth. So I'm just going to draw in kind of like a sad face first. I know it looks pretty funny, but now we're going to draw in the bottom. Pretty much the same curve as the top, just opposite. So it's almost like another egg shape. And then from here, for her teeth, just draw one little bracket here. One on top and then one on the bottom. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so that's her mouth, and if you want to add in a little detail for her nose, just add one little line there. So those are the facial features, and now let's fill in the face. So from the eye here, just come out, you make 2 little points. Now we're going to slant down about the mouth area, just slant in. Come in a little bit more. It's going to be the jawline and finish up the chin. Alright, and then for the top, it's a little bit different. It's got a really big forehead, or really tall forehead. So we'll slant in. From here we'll go straight up. And then now we'll just round it out. That's very strange, but this part is actually very creepy looking. And now before we fill out the hair, let's come down and draw in the neck first. So just 2 lines. The collar, just round it off. So now we're going to draw part of the hair, and the reason I draw the neck first is so that we know where to stop, because she's got a lot of hair. It's going to go kind of behind the body. Alright, so let's come back up here. There's one big curve coming down. I'll just stop right around here on the neck. Same thing here. Flare out, just come all the way down. Okay, so that's the head. So now let's draw in the body and we'll finish up the hair. So for the body, there's not a lot of details. She's just wearing this dress. So we'll flare out for her shoulders. We'll go ahead and pinch it in to her waist. I'm going to close this off with a slight wobbly line. Okay, so now let's draw in her arms. This is still going to be part of the dress. We'll just come down about halfway and then just slant down into the dress. And then now for her arms, we'll draw it out on the side. Start right here. This is going to be the elbow. Come out. Come down here. Same thing on this side. And then now for her hands. Just make it a little bit sharper here on the thumb, so just one little angle. Here's the back of the hand. One angle, and let's draw in one more here for the other finger and just connect that. So it's like a little claw. Come down, back of the hand, one little angle, and then this one I'll just have it bent in a little bit more, so you can draw a little bit different if you like. Okay, so now let's finish up the dress. So the dress is nice and easy. We'll just flare out. Come to the middle. Just draw a little angle. And then we'll just connect that. And we can add in some lines right here for the creases for the dress. Same thing on top. Alright, so now with the dress, now we can finish up the hair. So I'm just going to continue with this curve. Just go right behind the arms. Just tuck it right behind the dress. And that is it for this very creepy looking Lisa. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.